What is up, homies? Alright, stock market overview, Monday. Cracking the week open, May 2nd. Today was a pretty good day in the market, guys. The market could not make up its mind, but at the end of the day, it rallied. So we can look Dow up 0.26, Nasdaq up 1.6, S&P up 0.57. Yeah, the market was about even at open, and then it went down for the Dow. Same with Nasdaq. Nasdaq was higher. S&P around 2:30 p.m. Eastern time. They all hit their bottom, but then they all just rallied for power hour. So a real power hour today. If you watch the market, you would know. The fact we closed up a lot is, I don't know. For me, it was kind of expected because the last month or so, the VIX, how things go, they flip flop a lot. So it's usually lately it's been, if something starts out red, it's either gonna go back green or just go really red. So a lot of flip flopping. Like today, which is no surprise, it was down and then it closed up green. Tomorrow it might be green all day and close red, so you don't even really know, to be honest. May 2nd. Here are economic releases today. Nothing too special. Yeah, today definitely stock the day. So Redbox is one of them. Let's just go ahead and look at the chart. The chart was mostly red, and these were about flat, these two. But yeah, everything just rose up at the end of the day. Oxy's up 6%. Facebook up to 211. Nvidia's up. Microsoft, Adobe, even Tesla's up. So like I've been saying, watch Nvidia and AMD really telling the market. If Nvidia breaks past 200, I think we might start rallying. We'll see if it gets rejected or if it'll break 200. And then AMD with 100. So honestly, to be safe, probably wait for both signals, AMD over 100 and Nvidia over 200. To be maybe investable market. But yeah, we hit the bottoms on Friday. We don't know if we hit the bottom Friday or it might go even lower. This week. So the market, the VIX was green all day. We'll look at the daily chart today. The VIX was up all day. It's kind of inverse of the stock market today. Up to $36. And it closed at $32, which is a good sign. Another crazy thing to look at is the TNX, which is the 10-year note is over 3% now. So basically you move the decimal point and that's the percent for the 10-year. Let's see. Redbox, TNX. 502. Probably put the VIX in there again. And the next one is to be determined. Maybe Nvidia, all of our stocks are green, especially the semiconductors. Energy is not at a 52-week high, which was last month, about 10 days ago. Robinhood is green. Yeah, nothing too special, but we're looking at the VIX. Let's go back to our chart here. The VIX has been hitting these spikes up to the around $40 level. Or $40 level, and then going back down. So we might have peaked on the VIX. Looking at the technicals, this is the 2-year chart. daily. So, you know, once we hit the peak, we just go back down. Peak, go back down. Peak, go back down. Peak, go back down. And we're close to that same peak, $40. So we might have a little rally for, you know, how long is this? For a month, at least, you know what I'm saying? That's one of my theses right now. Let's see the VTI. It's at 0.75, and the Russell. Russell's 1%. It's underperforming the NASDAQ, for sure. Yeah. Let's just compare the Russell and the NASDAQ for maybe, what, the last 10 years? NDX over Russell. So we can see what last 10 years. NASDAQ has been highly overperforming the Russell. So it might be Russell's time almost, you know what I'm saying? This is the compare chart of the NASDAQ over Russell. So NASDAQ is outperforming Russell, then Russell outperforming for the next 5 years. Then here NASDAQ's been outperforming for what, the last 12 years? But even we can just go for the past year. The Russell has been lagging, so yeah, Russell's been lagging. You know, when the NASDAQ is up 1.5%, Russell's up only 1%. NASDAQ's down 1%, the Russell's down 2%. You know what I'm saying? So Russell's really not a good place to invest right now, to be honest. Yeah, just look for the short squeezes. Probably be up for pre-market maybe about 30 minutes before, an hour or 30 minutes before market opens, and that's where a lot of these stocks are. Like Redbox, this BTTX is up 120%. APRN is up 33%. So that's how it's kind of been for the last couple months or this year, to be honest. There's some short squeeze plays, some stocks you never heard of, and they started just rolling up in pre-market, and then just go up to like 100%, 100% plus. Yeah. Let's see what we should talk about. Okay, we can go to the most traded stocks. Nothing special. Let's see 52-week highs. Valero Energy Corp again. This stock has been doing crazy. Treasury. Yeah, dude, Valero. See Valero. And we'll switch back to the VIX. Valero. Been doing very good. That's the 2-year chart. Let's see the statistics on the stock market today. Okay, so majority 52% advanced, 43% declined. We still have mostly new lows, very little new highs. Below the 50 SMA, below the 200 SMA. Damn, it's a tough market. If you're just looking at this, you can see that we're having a really tough market. Need some signals to show that we're gonna go up. Let's see our stock list today. I think Bitcoin was up today. Skills was up 9%. Sunrun was up. Redfin was up. Imperial Energy was down. Let's head to our commodities, guys. See gas prices, etc. Bitcoin price still 38,500. Ethereum price, it's just under 2,900. All right, and crude oil, what, 105? So we're about the same prices we were on Friday, except natural gas is up. It broke the resistance. I was looking at for the 7.2 mark. Okay. So we're looking for the $8 mark, to be honest. If we break 8, we're probably going to 12 or 13, you know what I'm saying? If we break 8. If we got rejected at the 8, we can go all the way down to what? Probably $5. If we get rejected here, probably going back down to what? Probably 5. If we break 8, we can consolidate and go back up to 13. It's a good one to keep your eye on, the natural gas. Heating oil, no. Gold and silver is still going down. Copper's down. Steel up. So all of these for last month are red. Boom, boom. Glad we're seeing some red, so inflation might be curbing a little bit. This is kind of a leading indicator, in my opinion, from my small data sample. Commodities will kind of tell you before the CPI and PPI. So it's kind of like a leading indicator to a leading indicator of inflation. Nickel's going lower. So these are all the red, so bitumen, I guess, is still near the top. Pretty good stuff to see in terms of inflation. Okay. We're almost done, guys. We'll see the Fidelity sectors. We can just put BTTX, I think is the ticker name. Up 120%. That's nothing to scoff at, guys. Okay. We were green. Okay. Communication services. Tech. No discretionary. Real estate did the worst. Utilities did the worst. Materials lower. Tech is green one day. Tech is red one day. Energy is the most consistent one for sure. Consistently green. So at least we're not just having a super red day, just like Friday. Friday markets were down. Nasdaq was down 4.17% or 4.12. One of those two. So at least we're green today. Let's see how it goes, guys. Stock twits, anything interesting? Probably Redbox. Let's see what Redbox is doing. Exclusive free streaming of movies. Yep. Below $25. Watch the app. Seems pretty bullish. Guys, let's check out Redbox 1 second. Let's see what the market cap is. Maybe the PE if it has earnings. Very good chart. We could go back to 15 maybe. Maybe, you never know. A real short squeeze continuing from Friday. Friday was up 60%. Today is up 42%. So the market cap is $250 million. was quite good. I want to look at the last earnings, I guess. Let's just go to finance.yahoo and see what their last earnings was looking like. Earnings. I want to see what the revenue was, to be honest. Okay, so it's not profitable yet. What was the earnings? The revenue. Maybe statistics. Okay, so it looks like it's still losing money. Quarter 3, 2022. I want to see the revenue. See the revenue. Red box. Financials, I think, or it's revenue. It's the 12 months. Last year's revenue is as much as its market cap. So I mean, revenue to market cap, you never know. Yeah. Not sure. The fundamentals. Or what you would expect, you know, losing money. I mean, yeah, each month it's kind of losing money with its debt and the expenses, but it was kind of oversold too, so never know how high it's gonna get. Probably depends on the shorts, how much it's shorted. All right, thanks guys, see you tomorrow. We'll see how stocks perform. Hopefully we just get this over with and get the rally going. That's what I'm looking forward to. Yeah, and maybe just get a little bit from the bottom. Once we get maybe, I don't know, just looking forward to a rally, guys. All right, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.